This is a RJ100 landing in Pinta, Rhode Island. PEI runway 03. RJ100 is not Summit Air, North Caribou Air. We'll do another little bit of it too.
It's not very common that it lands in PEI though, right?
Nope. We're also a little later. We're gonna make another video called 2 Strange Landings in PEI.
Yeah, and this is one of them.
Yeah.
We really like the RJ100.
Yes.
Why do you like it?
Because the brakes and the 4 engines on a small plane.
Yeah, 4 engines on a small plane. It didn't take much runway to stop though, huh?
Yeah.